truck. Does maybe need a paint because it's a little bit rusty, but there's only a hit like right here, but other than that, it's just scratches because on this side it's about the same thing. See, the bucket is strapped, but that doesn't move, so there's this knob right here to turn the bucket sideways how you want it. The rotation of the, I'm going to show you a video on how it moves, but here's the plugs. Once you connect it to the, if you connect an extension cord to the machine inside, you can use these two plugs in here. This one looks like it's cracked, so it might need replaced, but this one should work. The bucket is made of fiberglass, so it's pretty strong. Other than that, has a crack right there, but that could be bond, so nothing big. Also, the hood is fiberglass. It does have a hit right there and there. That's how it's built. So. This sign is fairly good, other than the rust right here and by that here too. But the bucket sits on this, which is not right now, but it should be sitting on that. And this is removable, so if you need to open both doors, you can open them. And they do have some, so it doesn't break the window, the bucket, if it gets up too close to here. And let's see. So there's a bucket. Did have it painted before, but it might need a new one since the paint should have been a little bit better. That's it. All the doors open. As you can see, there is a rip right here, just from going in and out. The seat belts work. Everything works. It has a cage here, so light works. The windshield, there's no cracks or anything. As you can see, there's a hole in here. Yeah, it looks like there's a big hole here under the mat, so I did not notice that. So this is new to me, and it's a pretty big hole. It's rusted out. You might want to check that out. It's a fairly decent hole. It might get bigger, so I didn't notice that. Look. You can see there, you can see the hole. There's 3 wires here running. Don't know exactly what those are for, but it's been there since we bought it, so we never removed anything. If you get in here, just cleaned everything out of here. See, there's no cracks or anything. There's no mirror here attached because you can't see through the gate, and that's blocking it. The boom where it sits, it's blocking it. All the top of the roof is sealed, so no water goes through it. Riveted and sealed. It's done that by the factory, whoever did that. This might need a screw on there, but it does work. There's a radio we never used, and there's an extra radio for the dash up here, so that's an extra one. An extra headlight. Everything that's here was included since we bought it, so there's no seats in that seat. Going on the passenger door. It looks like this has been, from pulling it, it's been loose, so it still works, but it's kind of loose right there. Might need a screw. No rips in this seat, like I said. No holes on this side. Can't tell, nothing. As you can see, these are the 3 main switches right here that turn on the lights. The lights up there, and turns on the boom. So once you press the brake, that's located right next to the wires. It needs to be on. You press down the brake, and you turn, and 3 switches on. That should turn on the boom. And as it says here, the overall height is 9.9. The hot and cool, they both work, AC. It does have a drink tray there. I cleaned it out, but the trash bags are still there, so let me remove those. This video is around 8 minutes and 11 seconds, so I'm gonna shoot another video.